and a 31 party with me this fall. I am so excited to party with you because we just released this gorgeous fall catalog. So our parties are going to be amazing this season. Let me give you a little sneak peek in case you haven't received your Hostess packet from me. Check out some of these cute new prints and products. Oh, I am so excited. As soon as you get this catalog, make sure you start to look through it right away and building that wish list. The other thing you're going to see is one of these Earn Perks papers in your catalog. And this is kind of the key to everything it is to being a hostess. When you're a hostess or insider is what we like to call them, with me, you get to have 3 different types of rewards. So we break it down. First, you get insider credits, which is basically free 31. Yes, please. The second is our half price items. And the third is our hostess and insider exclusives. So first, all 3 of these are available to you. However, they are not combined with each other. So the first thing you get is insider credits. Once your party hits $200 or more, you unlock all of these hostess and insider exclusives. The first thing is the insider credits. It's basically a 31 gift card to get whatever you want in the catalog. You can buy a new purse, a new wallet. You can use it for personalization, whatever you want to use that credit on. And anything that's on sale will be a full price if you're going to use this credit. The second thing is our half off price items. You can pick anything in the catalog to be 50% off and you get it for that price. Also for these half price items, your personalization's 50% off too, so why not throw something cute on your bag? And finally, our third reward is our hostess and insider exclusives. These are products that no one else can buy except for our insiders when they host a party. As soon as you hit that $200 mark, you unlock all those exclusives for purchase. But if we get you to the ultimate goal, the $1,000 party, which is so easy to do, you can actually get 2 of those exclusives for free. Yes. So on the back of this paper, you will actually see a little guide for you. It has a space for your wish list, which is great for you to start planning how you want to use your credit, your half price items, and then the insider exclusives you might be interested in. And then it has your rewards category. Okay, so this shows you what you have. Obviously, at $200, you unlock everything and you start earning. At that point, you earn $10 for every $100 spent in your party. But as we climb up the ladder, the incentives get even sweeter. Once you get to the $500 mark, you start getting $20 for every $100 spent in your party. And you unlock 2 half-price items instead of 1, and 2 insider exclusives instead of 1. As you continue to climb, once your party reaches the $1,000 mark, not only do you get $200 or more in credit because it's $20 for every $100 spent, you also get 2 half-price items plus 2 insider exclusives for free. Can it be any more awesome to host a party? So what I want you to direct your attention to next is who you want to share your party with. Now, this is where my tips and tricks come in because $1,000 may seem like a lot, but it can definitely be done and it has happened before. 99% of my parties at least qualify and you start getting the rewards. Then it's up to you how much your people are engaged and how much they might be willing to support you. So I would recommend filling up this list with at least 30 to 40 people that you want to invite to your party. I know that sounds like a lot, but we have kind of a rule of 50%. Normally about 50% of the people that you invite will actually hop on to the Facebook group. And then after that, 50% will hopefully buy. And so we want to invite as many people as possible to make your party a huge success. One of the important things is that you should definitely personally message every single person on the list. That is my first tip. Personally message them and invite them to a party, just like as if you were going to invite them to a birthday party or a housewarming party. You would send them a personal invitation. So do the same for this party. My second tip is once they are invited, go ahead and add them to the Facebook group that I will create. The important thing about the Facebook group is that you continually show up. You're liking and commenting everything on the page. That's tip number 2, because if you like and comment, then other people will like and comment, and it kind of breaks the ice for everybody else. My third tip is make sure you are present and engaged during the live showing, our big event. It's where I will come on and show off all the products that I have for you and your guests, and they will get to see how big the purses are, how big the bags are, and really fall in love with everything. So make sure that you are there during the live, engaging, asking questions, making comments, because that will help everyone else stay engaged as well. And then I would like to remind you that after the party, we will post the link, or after the live, I will post the link for people to shop. And that's where you can go in, you can message people, see if they need help. I will also be personally messaging them. But once somebody orders, I will always put a thank you on the Facebook group, and that's your chance to show a little bit of gratitude as well. Tell them thank you and comment on how cute something is so that they know that they are appreciated for what they purchased and for helping you out too. So those are my tips to have a successful party. Oh, one more thing. Make sure you share this catalog. I will also send you a virtual link in case you can't get around everybody. But share this catalog and talk about your party with everyone you come in contact with. Sounds a little crazy, but like I said, the more people, the more success, and we want to have an awesome party together. So make sure you are sharing with everybody. Plus, look how great this catalog is. People are going to want to look at it, and they're going to want stuff from here. So that's my tips for success for a awesome 31 party. I can't wait to do this with you, and have a great day. Bye.